Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make custard thick. Achieving a perfectly thick custard involves a few key techniques. We'll cover how to properly incorporate ingredients like egg yolks and starches, ensuring a smooth and luxurious consistency. Understanding the right cooking temperature is also crucial to prevent curdling and achieve that ideal thickness. Let's dive into the details to help you master this delicious dessert. When using egg yolks, remember to temper them by slowly whisking a small amount of hot custard into the yolks before adding them back to the main pot. This prevents the eggs from scrambling. For starches, a good rule of thumb is to use 1 tablespoon of cornstarch for every 1 cup of liquid. Always mix your starch with a little cold liquid first to create a slurry, ensuring it dissolves smoothly without lumps. The cooking process is vital for a thick custard. Always cook over medium-low heat, stirring constantly with a whisk or wooden spoon to prevent the bottom from scorching and to ensure even cooking. You'll know it's ready when the custard coats the back of a spoon, leaving a clear path when you run your finger across it. Be careful not to boil the custard, as high heat can cause the eggs to curdle, ruining the texture. If your custard isn't as thick as you'd like, don't worry. You can gently reheat it over low heat, whisking in a bit more starch slurry until it reaches your desired consistency. Remember, chilling the custard for at least 2 hours in the refrigerator is also essential, as it continues to thicken as it cools. For more great tips and to check out the Owala water bottle, be sure to look for the link and other deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.